China aims to mass-produce humanoid robots by 2025. In a recent video, we got a glimpse into the work of AGI-Bot, a Shanghai-based robotics company specializing in the development and production of humanoid and delivery robots. This company is at the forefront of creating robots that will work in homes and factories worldwide. Recently, they've decided to ramp up production and scale up the number of robots they're building, aiming to become a leader in the field. In the demo, we can see the company working on module assembly, ensuring that the actuators and all necessary components of these robots function efficiently. They plan to produce so many robots that the future we'll live in will be unrecognizable. Interestingly, some of the robots at the factory are also assisting with this process, highlighting the symbiotic relationship between robots and humans. The more robots they have, the more they can accomplish, which in turn leads to the creation of even more robots. The company also has an extensive testing facility for the actuators, making sure they can handle various environmental stresses. These robots will need to perform well in a range of settings, so testing is critical. They're not just producing humanoid robots, but various types, including models with wheels at the bottom of their bases. This demonstrates that there are many applications for these robots, and the possibilities are endless. One of the most impressive aspects of their operation is their Gigafactory, where they produce massive quantities of robots. The company is also conducting large-scale data collection to ensure the robots can operate effectively in different environments. With a combination of real-world and synthetic data collection, they're working to make their robots precise and adaptable for any task. The AI platform they've developed will allow them to scale production to millions of units. Watching these robots perform tasks smoothly and effortlessly gives us a glimpse into the future. By 2025, China plans to make humanoid robots as commonplace as smartphones. While AGI-Bot is one of the leading companies, other Chinese firms are also making significant strides. One such company, Zhang Robots, a subsidiary of the Chinese electric vehicle company Sang, is focused on developing intelligent bionics. Founded in 2016 and headquartered in Shenzhen, China, Zhang Robots is another key player in this revolution. When I first shared a video of these robots with my audience, many were astonished, with some even claiming it was CGI. However, after seeing several demos, it's clear these robots are real and capable of tasks humans never imagined. In one demonstration, we saw the robot working inside a factory, efficiently performing various tasks, such as picking up and analyzing objects. This showcases just how close we are to humanoid robots becoming a regular part of industrial operations. This quiet revolution is gaining momentum behind the scenes in China. Humanoid robots are poised to be a game-changer in industries that rely on physical labor, like car manufacturing. By 2030, it's possible that fully automated car factories will be run entirely by humanoid robots, with just a few human operators overseeing them. The robots' vision systems are already performing excellently, which is crucial for completing tasks effectively. This is a clear sign that we are entering a new era, where humanoid robots will play a key role in the economy and boost economic growth. AGI-Bot has raised over 7 billion yuan in funding and recently secured backing from industry giants like BYD and Huawei, which further solidifies the seriousness of this robotic revolution. While challenges remain and some believe there are still scientific hurdles to overcome, the progress made so far is truly exciting. As other companies refine their robots, we may soon see mass production of humanoid robots across the globe. This is a space to watch closely, as the integration of AI into robotics is set to change the world as we know it. With robot workforces steadily increasing year by year, it's clear that the future of humanoid robotics is fast approaching. What do you think about this future? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.